Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome back. This is Sarah. Now today, we are continuing something very powerful, your full day shadowing challenge. In day 1, you already practiced 30 powerful sentences from morning to reaching your workplace. But now, we are moving to the most natural part of English, the time when your day slows down and your real, relaxed English comes out. Your evening and bedtime routine. And this part is very important because this is the English you actually use in real life, at home, with family, with yourself. If you already completed day 1, that's amazing. But if you didn't, don't worry at all. You can go back and practice it later. Right now, just stay with me, focus, and let's continue your shadowing journey. Here's what we're going to do today. Evening routine sentences, 20 bedtime sentences, and some small secrets that will help your English sound more natural. And one small thing. If you're ready to practice with me right now, just hit the like button so I know you're serious about your English. Now relax your shoulders, focus on the subtitles, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Let's begin your evening routine shadowing practice. I finish my work and say goodbye to everyone. I finish my work and say goodbye to everyone. I take the same bus back home. I take the same bus back home. I stop at a grocery store on my way home. I stop at a grocery store on my way home. Nice. Keep going. I buy milk, bread, and fresh vegetables. I buy milk, bread, and fresh vegetables. I cook dinner in my small kitchen. I cook dinner in my small kitchen. I eat dinner while watching my favorite TV show. I eat dinner while watching my favorite TV show. Good! Your confidence is growing. I call my parents and ask about their day. I call my parents and ask about their day. I do some light exercise in my living room. I do some light exercise in my living room. I read a few pages of an interesting book. I read a few pages of an interesting book. Great. Stay focused. I prepare everything for tomorrow morning. I prepare everything for tomorrow morning. I feel tired after a long day at work. I feel tired after a long day at work. I take a deep breath and relax for a moment. I take a deep breath and relax for a moment. I change into comfortable clothes as soon as I get home. I change into comfortable clothes as soon as I get home. Nice. Stay relaxed. I sit quietly and check my phone for messages. I sit quietly and check my phone for messages. I drink a glass of water to refresh myself. I drink a glass of water to refresh myself. I think about what I need to do tomorrow. I think about what I need to do tomorrow. Good, you're improving. I organize my things and clean my space. I organize my things and clean my space. I take a short break to clear my mind. I take a short break to clear my mind. I listen to some calm music to relax. I listen to some calm music to relax. Great! Keep going. I spend a few minutes alone without distractions. I spend a few minutes alone without distractions. I finish all my small tasks before going to bed. I finish all my small tasks before going to bed. I put my phone away to avoid distractions. I put my phone away to avoid distractions. Excellent. Focus on your voice. I slow down and prepare my mind for rest. I slow down and prepare my mind for rest. I turn off unnecessary lights in the house. I turn off unnecessary lights in the house. I check if everything is ready for tomorrow. I check if everything is ready for tomorrow. Almost there. Don't stop now. I lie down and relax my body completely. I lie down and relax my body completely. I take a deep breath and release all stress. I take a deep breath and release all stress. I remind myself that today was enough. I remind myself that today was enough. Beautiful. Feel the calm. I close my eyes and let my mind rest. I close my eyes and let my mind rest. I slowly drift into a peaceful sleep. I slowly drift into a peaceful sleep. Amazing! You did really well today. I take a warm shower before going to bed. I take a warm shower before going to bed. I put on my comfortable pajamas. I put on my comfortable pajamas. I brush my teeth one more time. I brush my teeth one more time. Nice. Keep speaking. I set my alarm clock for 7. I set my alarm clock for 7. I turn off all the lights in the room. I turn off all the lights in the room. I check that the front door is locked. I check that the front door is locked. Excellent. Almost done. I get into bed and pull up the blanket. I get into bed and pull up the blanket. I think about the good things that happened today. I think about the good things that happened today. I close my eyes and slowly fall asleep. I close my eyes and slowly fall asleep. Amazing! You did it! Excellent, my friend. Take a moment and just realize what you did today. You didn't just watch this video, you actually practiced real English. Today you learned something very powerful. You practiced your full day in English, from your morning routine to your evening to your bedtime. That means now you can actually talk about your real life in English. And this is the biggest mistake most learners make. They learn difficult words, they study grammar, but they can't talk about their own daily life. And that's why they get stuck. But today, you fixed that problem. You also learned 5 small vocabulary secrets that native speakers use every single day. Simple words like grab, check, turn on, sharp. These small changes make your English sound more natural and confident. Now let me tell you something important. When should you practice this? Morning, before your day starts, evening, when your mind is relaxed, or anytime you have just 10 minutes. Because this is not just learning, this is training your brain to think and speak in English. And why should you practice this daily? Because fluency doesn't come from watching. It comes from repeating, speaking, and using English again and again. If you practice these same sentences for just 5 to 7 days, you will notice something powerful. Your sentences will come faster, your hesitation will reduce, and your confidence will grow. So here's your small task. Practice day 1 and day 2 every week. And in the comments, write about your evening routine in English. I read your comments, and I love seeing your progress. And if this video helped you even a little, like the video, share it with one friend, and subscribe to the channel. Because here, we are not learning English for exams, we are learning English for real life.